To add Venmo to your wallet, follow these detailed steps. First, to add your Venmo card to Google Pay, you will need to have the actual card. As the process involves taking a photo of it, you can obtain a Venmo debit card by applying through the Venmo app, which requires entering your personal information and shipping address. Once you have your card, open the Google Pay app and log into your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create it by selecting Sign Up. Then, look for the Payment Options section. Click on it, and select Add a Card. Choose whether you are adding a credit or debit card, and enter your information either manually or by using the camera to capture the card details. After completing this process, you will need to provide a verification method and enter the verification code to finalize the addition. Alternatively, to add Venmo to your Amazon wallet, log into your Amazon account and navigate to the Amazon Wallet section. Scroll down to Add Payment Method and select Add a Venmo account. A box will appear, prompting you to click Go to Venmo and enter your Venmo information. Complete the security challenge. Then select Agree and Complete to finalize the process. Your Venmo card will now be successfully added to your Amazon wallet. These are just a few ways to add your Venmo to your payment wallet. And by following these steps, you can easily integrate your Venmo account with various wallets.